We are Team TrexMax Maker. My name is Nathaniel.
My name is Liui. My name is Alan Angel.
And my name is Olison.
Our school is located on low elevation area. Occasionally, flash flood occurs when it rains heavily. When the flash flood happens, our school students must take early preventive steps to a safer place before their life is in danger.
Moreover, before the flash flood waters reach our school, the teachers must call the students' parents to pick them up to decrease the risk. But the teachers and students will not be aware of the flash flood quickly beforehand.
This is some pictures when flash flood happened in our school.
Our solution is to build a water level sensor. It is a device that reminds the school authorities, including the teachers, security guard, and the students. It is a game changer because it alerts the teacher to call the students' parents immediately, thus reduce the risk of student getting hurt. Besides that, it can also help to protect the school's properties.
This is the items needed. This is the list of items needed and their cost. This is the detailed sketch of our solution.
The water level sensor is powered by solar power. When the flash flood happens, the water sensor and the ultrasonic sensor will be triggered and the microcontroller will receive the water level when the flash flood water reaches to a danger point.
Then the microcontroller will send instruction to the buzzer to alert the whole school.